Hey guys, it's Madge back with another video, and in today's tutorial, this is the ShareBot tutorial, the version 2 for TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, you guys want to join my Discord server where all of the download files will be. It's in the link in the description. Once you go there, there's gonna be a download file for Python. You guys just want to download that, and once you download it, once you open it, it will say this. Okay, so what you want to do right now is click this one, add Python 3.10 to path. So once you do that, you just press install now and you're all set. You just have to wait for it to download, and we're just gonna wait. Okay, so once it's installed, we just press close, and then next thing you want to do is download the file of the mass botter. It's going to be like this. This is going to be the name. It's going to be in the Discord. So you want to open it up in your WinRAR. Once you open it in your WinRAR, we want to extract the file. Okay, to do this, what we do is, you see this, we just drag it onto our desktop. So once we do that, the file's extracted. We open this up. Okay, so before we click on main, this is what we do. You double click up here, you type cmd. Okay, so this is what it opens up. Now you have to type exactly what I type. pip install requests pystyle. Okay, so once you do that, you press enter. And I've already done it, but for you guys it will just show a bunch of stuff. Okay, so once that's installed, we press X. Okay, so now that's all out of the way, we press main. So this is basically the ShareBot right here. So we get our TikTok video, we copy the link, let me go in analytics, 6k shares. Okay, Control V, enter. This is the amount of shares we want. And the thread amount, the more threads you put, the more stress it puts on your PC. So if you have a lower end PC, I'd recommend something less than what I would do. Okay, I did 1,000 threads for shares. Okay, we just press 1, and then for proxy type 2. Now the ShareBot has started. All the shares are now being sent to our video. So just minimize that, go on our TikTok, and now we view the analytics. And as we can see, right now it has 8k shares. So, and it's just gonna keep on going up slowly. Refresh the page, see 9,000, refresh it again, 9,700. So you know, it's gonna go up slowly, and you're gonna eventually reach what you put in. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, like and subscribe guys, and see you in the next one. Peace out.